Hello everybody, but I'm not reaching the record yet, so maybe I will in some time. But in this video, I will. Nearly there. Yes! Finally, I reached